Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove or disable Snapchat AI, also known as My AI. Whether you're a free user or a Snapchat Plus subscriber, I've got you covered with simple step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Block My AI from stories. Open Snapchat. Tap your avatar in the top left. Tap the settings icon. Scroll down to View My Story. Tap it. Choose Custom. Scroll to M. Select My AI. Tap Block. This will block My AI from seeing your stories. Step 2. Adjust privacy settings in chat. Swipe right to open chat. Tap the My AI chat at the top. Tap its avatar, then the three dots. Go to Privacy Settings. Toggle off My Story access. This limits My AI's access in your chats. Step 3. Delete My AI data. Tap your Bitmoji/avatar. Go to Settings, scroll to Account Actions. Select Delete My AI data, confirm. And finally, clear all the conversation history saved by My AI. Now, if you're a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you have more control. You can actually unpin or completely remove My AI from your chat feed. Step 1. Unpin or remove My AI. Swipe right to chat. Press and hold on My AI. Select Unpin Conversation or Clear from Chat Feed. This removes My AI from the top of your chats. Step 2. Block My AI from stories. Repeat the same story blocking steps as free users to stop My AI from seeing your snaps. Step 3. Clear My AI data. Go to Settings, Privacy Controls, Clear Data. Tap Clear My AI data, confirm. And that's it. That's how to remove or disable Snapchat AI. Did this method work for you? Drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're handling My AI.